Hey fam, we got Jason, we got Svet, we got Gabe, Gabicus Rex.
No.
And we are taking a quick little stroll, hike, walk path to Nung Nung Waterfalls. I'm sure I'm saying that incorrectly. It's supposed to be one of the most magnificent sights in Bali. So we'll keep you all posted on what we see in just a few minutes. Go Jason, run up the stairs, come on. Run! Run! You're gonna watch this video one day when you can do it and laugh at the times that you could not. Let's go! Let me see those quads. Let's see those calves. Hey, beautiful people of the world. Okay, I think we're getting close. We got to a bridge, going over some water, and I can hear the rushing of a fall. Hey, we can see the glimpses of it right there. Ooh. Hey family, I'll make you a video with a quick auspicious traveling tip. We had a lot of people ask us, why Bali? There's Gabe. Hey Gabe. Look at Jason. He's climbing all the stairs. So the tip that most people are either afraid of or don't believe. Number one, what you have to do is conceive and get very clear on where you want to go and do some research on it. Just pick a place. It can be anywhere. Antarctica, Spain, Bali. Denmark. Then spend some time researching information on that location. And here's the scary part. At some point, you make a commitment that you're gonna go. That's the scariest part of this whole deal, because once you make a commitment, you push forward and you do it regardless of what happens in your life. Regardless of what circumstances change, income, revenue, fear, being fired, being hired, job change. The challenge and the truth is once you make that commitment to yourself, you follow through with it. Because in that commitment, when you commit to something powerful, exhilarating, and scary, then you step into that power. That's where magic and miracles will occur. And the hardest part about this truth is you have to trust the process. You gotta go no matter what once you make that commitment. All right, so our adventure continues. We made it a few more distances. I was like, what a beautiful waterfall. Incredible. How many times in life have you settled? How many times in life had you had a dream? You're like, this is it, this is what I want. And you describe it, and you dream about it, and you write it down, and you plan for it, and then you settle. You turn back and you go, this is good enough. This is all I need. This is all I deserve. Sorry, I'm looking down. This little seat right here. Carrying little man. How many times will we do that in life? Because if you do that, if you settle, you might miss the real dream. You might miss what was actually in store. Wow, this water's coming down so hard, it's making waves in the water below. I've never seen that before. Look at that power. Incredible. All right, so hope to see you on our next trip. Love you guys.